Hi, I'm James from Batrium, and today I'll be going over just a quick guide on what our new Android app can do. Okay, so we'll open up the app and we'll hit get started. We're presented with two choices here. Web is if you're connecting to a provisioned device that has already been provisioned through BMI and attached to your BMI account. The alternative is Wi-Fi, which is just directly connecting to devices on your local network. So we'll start with Wi-Fi. And we'll head into one of our in-house systems here. You can see that this one is charging slowly, and we've got state of charge information, voltage and power. We can head into cell temperatures and voltages here. You get the quick three stats: minimum, maximum and average, but you can go into that and get individual cell voltages instead. And we'll hit the back button at the bottom left to go back. And we can go and see individual temperatures as well. These ones are all quite consistent. And we can head into bypass statistics as well. We can see that none of the cells are currently bypassing, but they have in the past. You can see that on the milliamp hours on the right. We can also see the remote information, which is what we're sending to an inverter, and temperature information as well on what the Watchmon cell monitors are doing temperature-wise, as well as some capacity information too. So you can see these little blue dots on the right. These mean that they've just gotten recent info. Wi-Fi is really fast. But going through our servers is a little bit slower. Usually once every 5 minutes you'll see updates there. So we'll try that now. We'll hit the heart icon in the bottom left. Yes, we'd like to log out. We'll head back in again and go to web. I'll put in my credentials here. We'll hit sign in. And you can see here, because I'm here at Batrium, I've got quite a few teams. You'll probably just have one. I'll head back into in-house systems, which is what we looked at before, and go check on that device again. You can see all that data is the same, just updates a bit slower because it has to go through the internet. Alrighty, so that's everything for now. That's the current state. Pretty soon you'll be able to configure your devices through the app as well. But for now, that's just Toolkit 2. Alrighty, that's it for today, and here's a link to go download that app. Alrighty, see ya.